Alright, boys and girls, this is the third video for the week, okay, and this is for 17.3 dot plots and data distribution, and it begins on page 7, okay, in your packet. Again, I am going to shorten it up, so make sure you listen carefully, okay. So at the top, it tells you what a dot plot is, okay, up here. It says it shows how many frequency or how many times something occurs. In other words, the number of times something happens. Okay, so it shows the frequency. There's another word here that's new, is outlier, and that's a number that's way off from the other numbers. So like all your numbers are clustered close together, and then you've got one number that's way off. Okay, that would be your outlier. We're not going to worry about that one too much in the problems I'm going to assign you, but just so that you know it is mentioned. Okay, so if you look at this example, it says a baseball team manager records the number of runs scored by the team in each game for several weeks. Use the data to make a dot plot. Alright, so again, you notice here is your step 1. It says make a number line. Okay, so if you notice down here, they did make a number line. They did go by 2, so if you want to go back in there and fill in, like that's number 1, 3, 5, and so on. Okay, so you can do that if you want. So make your number line. Okay, in this case, it says to go from 0 to 11. Why from 0 to 11 for this one? Because our smallest number is 0 and our largest number is 11. So that way you see what your range is going to be on your number line. Okay, so step 2 now. What you want to do for step 2 is you want to go ahead, okay, and draw a dot above each line. Draw a dot above the number line for each data value. Okay, so if you look here, whenever you see the number 1, okay, you're going to go put a dot on top of it. Okay, so for example, here they started off with 0 because they have 1 0. Okay, now there's 3 dots above the number 1 because they've got 1, 2, 3. 1, so you're going to put 3 dots. Then go count how many 2's you have. So if you go down your list, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you count the number of dots above the number 2, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then count how many number 3's you have. 1, 2, 3. So if you notice above dot 3 right here, number 3, you've got 3 dots. Okay, then above the number 4, you've got 2 dots because there are 2 of them. Okay, and then you just continue. The number 5 only has 1, so that's why you only see 1 dot there. The number 6, there's only 1 listed, so that's why you see the number 6 with only 1 dot. Same thing for the number 7, only 1. And then way over here is your number 11, and there's only 1. Okay, this number 11, this would be considered your outlier because it's way off from all the other numbers. It's far away. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Step 1, make a number line. Step 2, put a dot for every number that they mention on your problem. Okay, so if you go down to, here gives you some, just a review of the words. Okay, then you can go back and review the ones from video 1, sorry. Okay, so here you just want to match again that the numbers are plotted correctly above the numbers. Okay, so here what you're going to do is you're going to solve number 11 and you're going to solve number 12. Okay, but you do not have to do number 13, 14, and 15. Okay, so when you come to your packet, okay, you can go ahead and eliminate number 13, number 14, and number 15. Okay, so again, you do not have to do number 13. Okay, you do not have to do number 14. Okay, I'll cross it out on mine, that way you can see you don't have to do number 14. And you also don't have to do number 15. You can cross that out. Okay, so in this one you were only going to be responsible okay, in the dot plots for numbers 11 and 12. Okay, so you'll see that on your answer document, number 11 and 12. Okay, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and try to do the last video for you now. So if you have any questions on this one, go ahead and message me. Thank you.